Hey, it's Jayla here. Thanks for checking out this review video and welcome to my channel Mom Empire. Before we get started, if you would work with my own internet coaches to build an online business of 10k per month, then go ahead and check that one out in the first link of my description. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in my description at any time during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 awesome bonuses. Bonus number 1, List Prodigy. It's about how you can build your email list and use it to build your online business even faster. It's the second most valuable thing in your online business because you can promote anything, anywhere, anytime throughout that list. Bonus number 2 is AI Prodigy. It's about how you can use AI to do the most of the work for you so you can enjoy life even better. Bonus number 3 is about Facebook strategies. It's about how you can use Facebook the right way to get those buyer leads into your funnels. So it's free buyer traffic. You don't have to pay for it, and it's a good strategy to market your business. So bonus number 4 is content marketing. Content is king, they say. So you need to have good content. In this video training, you will learn how and what good content is. So these bonuses are very, very valuable and will be automatically delivered when you purchase this product through my link. So let's get started with this review video. If you liked my video, then go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of this kind of videos, and hit that like button so you will help me to grow my own YouTube channel even faster. So thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!